Yo, this OpenClaw era we're living in right now is absolutely bonkers, bananas, insane. It's blowing my mind every single day. When I push the limits, I try new things, I see what it can do. It's so fun. It's super duper fun. It's like when AI first came out and we're like all mind blown. We're like, holy shit, it can do this. Now it's like a new era because we've got Chat GPT with more buttons. Now it can take over our whole computer and do tasks that people pay thousands of dollars for, right? So it's insane. I want to say thank you guys for all the love on the last video. I did not expect it to pop off like it did. I just showed you a couple of use cases that I'm using it for. And yeah, got a lot of love. So thank you guys for liking and subscribing. And I'm a new channel, so I'm just going to keep making content, showing you guys cool stuff I learn. And I'm going to keep tinkering and doing all that. But I got a comment on the last video from Mark Stevenson 9280, and he said, what would be helpful is a full video showing prompts you use to flush out your mission control. It's one of the better ones I've seen. Every content creator has virtually the same thing, but they all just keep gatekeeping. And it's like some holy grail edge they can't possibly share. Well, guess what, Mark Stevenson 9280 or 9280. I don't know how you usually go by, but I'm not going to gatekeep. I'm going to give this shit to you guys for free today. So if you watch this whole video, you're going to get it. I'm not going to gatekeep it. I'm not going to charge you $1 million for it because I want you guys to maximize OpenClaw and then come back and tell me what you learned. You know, we're collaborating, we're masterminding, we're tossing ideas around. We're all helping each other, you know, win-win scenario, right? So I am going to show you first my mission control, what I have so far. By no means is it 100% complete and how I want it. It's going to get 10 times better, but I'm going to give you the rundown, and then I am also going to give you the prompts to create it yourself and make it even better than this and make it more custom to you and your goals in your life. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do that. But let me do a quick rundown for you, those of you brand new here, what the mission control is. I basically told Max, which is my OpenClaw, to spin up a mission control dashboard that has all my important shit, my meetings, my business, my projects, my YouTube, my everything I'm working on, and make it easy for me to manage. And I also wanted him to gamify it. So that's why it says boss battle. So when I hit 10 clients, it's going to check off 10 clients, do a cool animation and boost my revenue and that kind of thing. And I still have more APIs to connect to make it fully streamlined and automated, but the skeleton's there, and that's what I'm going to give to you guys today. And we got a search bar up here and time and all that. But this is like the main dashboard. And you get a good idea of what that looks like. Command center, these are all my agents run around for me, the CEO, the founders, Mr. Zach at Effortless AI. And I have Atlas. I can change the model I want to use for them because I have all the different API for the different models. And then I have a few different agents here, about 12 agents for different tasks, right? Operations, project manager, content lead, research. Scout's an awesome researcher. Love Scout. I use Gemini 2.5 Pro for him to research. I can create content and reels and all sorts of cool stuff. And then specifically for my new company I'm launching, AI Twin Brain, I asked my Claude bot to create a CTO, CFO, COO, CPO, CMO, and me as a CEO. And then when I pose a question, like a new board question, then they all collaborate, they talk it out, and then they come back to me with one answer. And then it's going to basically show all their answers here in the exec notes. So that's super cool. Projects, I can go to all my projects here. It created a Kanban board, where I can drag and drop and just have a more visual idea of what I need to get done. Revenue, manages all the revenue. And I need to even make these better, but it's really helpful so far. Timeline, so I can visually see all right, my goal is 30K by July 6th. I got work to do, right? And this gives me a nice visual of where I'm at with my progress and what I need to hit at certain dates in different phases. Intel, love the Intel report. I get a voice message from Max every morning for the most up-to-date AI news, but he also puts it in here and just lists out all the important stuff, again, that's relevant to me and my goals. That's helped me so much stay on top of everything. And then meetings, I have Fireflies. It pulls in through an API on Fireflies, all my meetings. And this is fun. I have all my meetings here. I can check them off. I can also look at some action steps from the meetings and view the details from the meetings. So that's really fun. And that's helpful. And then it also just has more context, right? Oh, it even tells me the total hours, how many meetings I did. Very cool. YouTube, this is new. I just built this. I watched another YouTuber and he has something like this. So I'm at 107 subs and increasing. So I wanted it to like gamify my YouTube growth, because my big goal is getting that silver play button at 100K. That'd be so cool. So I want to do that. And then I need to plug in a YouTube API or something, but I'm going to get trending videos that are related to what I can make content on. So I'm going to be doing that. And then I just built this too, a little mini CRM, and then a pipeline for new ideas. And this is the video I'm making right now, a video on how to make mission control. So here we go. I'm going to give you guys the sauce. Put sauce in the comments if you're ready for the sauce. And I read the comments and I try to respond, and I love new video content ideas. So if you want to see me build, create, make a video on something, tell me, because I just did that for Mr. Mark Steven 9280, and I will do more if you guys comment and let me know. Anyway, mission control, again, it's going to get 10 times better, but I'm going to give you the blueprint right now. And guys, I spent hours because I had to go back and look at all my prompts I was giving it. I had to organize them all. I had to go rebuild a website, program it, piece it together, visualize it, make it so you guys can easily see where to go, what the different prompts do. And I spent hours in sweat equity doing this for you guys. I'm just kidding. Max did the whole thing. I just talked to him and he blew my mind. He posted it, put it on Vercel, built an end-to-end automation. I'll show you guys what he did. So then, it can collect some emails, so I can send you guys some more newsletters and stuff in the future. I don't have anything to send you now, but in the future. Max did everything, but it's still really cool. And I was impressed. I think you will be too. So what is mission control? So this is going to live on your dashboard in an HTML file. So if you look at my dashboard, my mission control is right here. I just click it, double click, boom, it opens up, right? So you guys will have that same thing. You'll be able to do the same thing. And then it's like, it runs a server already on your computer. So then it stays up to date. And this will explain all that. And it'll work. Yeah, it opens instantly, works offline, 0 loading screens, local storage. You don't have to pay any extra money for any databases or anything like that. You can if you want, but you don't have to. So basically, step 1, copy the prompt. Step 2, fill the blank brackets and then paste. So just give this to your OpenClaw and he'll start building it. So yeah, read through this. Take a little time to read through it. One thing I would say is give your a Claude bot some skills around coding. Like maybe have them use Claude code if you can. Use a strong model like Opus or Codex, and then give them some skills around coding. So if I go to my skills, he's got like a bunch of skills. Design, mobile design, UI, UX, Tailwind, TypeScript, Vercel. So he's got skills so he can actually code it better, right? So I would say train up your Claude bot a little bit and then give them these prompts. But these are the different variables, everything in purple. Well, you'll put your personal information in, but you come down here and this is the complete prompt. It gives you everything very well laid out and spelled out for you. You just click to copy. I'd probably paste it in a notepad first, and then you can replace your name, your business role and stuff, make it personalized to you. But there's 3 pieces to it. So there is, sorry, I'm like going really fast here. The foundational prompt, the different modules like I had at the top. So I have separate prompts for each module. So you have different prompts for different modules. And then the engine here. So it's a live dashboard, Node.js, that kind of thing. And again, you just click the copy. Made it as easy as you can for you guys. You just got to change this. And then every time you want to connect a new software to it, connecting to your dashboard to your server, it'll know how after you give them this prompt. And then you can just give them the API keys. He'll do all the work and connect it up. So then it's connected to your Fireflies, connected to your N8N if you want, if you have an API key there, connected to whatever has an API key, and then he can go and do. And you can just control them from like what, Telegram, WhatsApp, whatever app you're using. So there it is, guys. I'm going to give you this. It's going to be in the description below. Mission control prompts.vercel.app. You'll get this whole thing for free. I had a buddy over, my buddy Orlando, and he's like, dude, you're not going to charge him for this? I'm like, nah, dude. Like, I'm just going to give it to him. I'm trying to give value where I can. You asked for it. Here it is. Maybe in the future, if I spend a fuck ton of time on something, I might have to, ask for some dollars, but right now it's free. So enjoy it. All I ask is that you subscribe. If you want to share this link, you can share it up. And then people can see my YouTube as well. That's all I ask, but this is all here. Easy, structured out for you guys, step-by-step, 3 major prompts. And there you have it. You'll have your own mission control very soon. So stoked to see what you guys come up with, what your mission control looks like. It's super duper fun. I love gamifying life. I want to continue to modify this so it's super gamified, super fun, and we can all level up together. So with that, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know the next video piece content you want me to make. I have a ton of fun doing this. OpenClaw is insane. It's the revolution. It's the future. It's what we should all be focusing on right now. Appreciate you guys. Till the next video. Peace.